Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we've got a little unboxing that came, I guess, from overseas. I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to get into it and check it out real quickly. I just want to say thank you to all the channel members. And thank you to any of you who subscribe to the channel or who just come in and check out my knife and EDC content. I really appreciate it. So what I'm going to do is grab my Amazon Balisong unboxing knife, and we're going to see what we have here. This is a short unboxing, not a review. Whatever it is, I will review it. And whatever it is, it was sent to me by whoever sent it, which we'll see in a second. And if you guys are so inclined and you like knife and EDC content, if you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, it really does help me out. So let's see what we've got here. See if I got it open. It looks like we've got a CJRB, guys, but I'm not sure. Hold on. Yes, we do. Artisan Cutlery CJRB has sent us in something to check out, and I am stoked and appreciative. It is the PYRITE-LIGHT. Guys, if you know and have followed the channel or check my videos, I've purchased a titanium pyrite, a pyrite mini. My titanium pyrite was kind of a unique unicorn pyrite. I've since given it away, but I'm curious to see. We got a little troll candy. We've got a CJRB little pouch. Our troll candy's open. Do this. Put that back in there. Put that over there. Ooh, alright guys. We've got a NAF, a CJRB Cool Stuff sticker, a really nice cloth, and again, it's just packaging, but a super nice felt lined little CJRB case. So this is the PYRITE-LIGHT. I'm assuming it is going to be a budget knife because the Pyrite was. And I will put a link in the description to where you can grab these. But just looking at it, it feels very, very solid. I thought it was FRN, but I think it might be G10. Very thin. You've got chrome standoffs, chrome button, black hardware, reversible deep carried clip. Goes in and out of pocket very well. I'm wearing 511 jeans. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Guys, this is the Wharncliffe. And I don't have my original pyrite, but I do not remember it being nearly this thin. AR-9, so it's in their proprietary steel. Feels great in the hand. Very snappy deployment. Button's fine. I don't do spine whack tests. Again, only because I do them to check. But don't, use common sense and use your knife responsibly, right? Guys, this is a very, very unique knife. I don't typically do dimensions when I'm just unboxing. Ooh. therapeutically slicey. Very, very acute tip. Great forward finger choil. Let's see if it tells me on this box if that's FRN or G10. Guys, it feels like G10. It feels quality. You've got steel liners in there. It feels like a great knife. PYRITE-LIGHT. I will have to do some research before the review to tell you guys if this is, I'm thinking it's G10, or if it's some type of FRN or some type of thermo whatever, right? But it's got very snappy detent. It is a good size knife, a medium sized knife. So I've got close to me here the bug out. Right around the same size as the bug out, right? But if we look at the thinness of that blade stock and the thinness of the knife, I can see why PYRITE-LIGHT is what this is called, for a good reason. I'd gotten an email asking if I'd be interested in checking this knife out, and I said I would because I've been a huge fan of the PYRITE and the PYRITE Mini. One of CJRB's best knife. I think the Rhea is a fantastic knife of old, one of my first knives I picked up, but the PYRITE has been definitely one of my favorites. This PYRITE-LIGHT is very unique. It is very much, I would think, a great economical EDC option because it is very light. It has nice texture on the handle. So you've got these G10 handles where you've got a lanyard loop, nice textured scales. That forward finger choil, I say I would use probably all of the time. My finger just fits so well there. But it is a nice medium-sized knife, very lightweight, very snappy deployment, thumb studs. I don't feel any sluggishness. I don't feel any detent lash at all. Yeah, guys, I think this is a really cool knife. I'm going to put it through some paces, check it out, do some cutting with it, carry it for a few days. I won't hard use it just because I wouldn't hard necessarily use a knife like this. I will cut wood with it. I'll cut cardboard with it. As a matter of fact, do a little cardboard cutting. I'll run it through a lot of material. We'll see how the edge holds up because it is very thin. Feels very, very good. In hand, feels very comfortable. I do not feel the clip. Super light. Let's just real quick, not to spoil it for the review, but it will not hurt us to throw it on a scale real quickly. Because I'm guessing our blade is at least 3 inches. Let's see. Our blade is 3 1/4 easy with a 3-inch cutting area. And a soaking wet weight with a little bit of paper on the blade, 2.8 ounces. I would say that's very cool, very light. The term PYRITE-LIGHT makes sense. I'm assuming, guessing, thinking that you can probably get this in other blade shapes as well. The standard blade shape, I'm not sure. I think this is a great blade shape. It's very worn pointy, even though the belly's not fully flat, right? It's just a neat blade shape, great snap, very thin package. I just hit the table, but very thin package. that I don't think you'd necessarily feel in your pocket. I'll let you guys know after I carry it for a while, but guys, that is the CJRB PYRITE-LIGHT, sent in to me by CJRB. I totally appreciate it. It'll finally make it out to one of you guys in a Friday Night Flicks after I've done my thing with it, put it in some content, but feels very snappy. I think it's a great knife. Don't know exactly what it costs, but you guys take a look at it. I can, just from what I can tell, which is very little, but at the same time very much in terms of the build, the solid nature of the knife. I like it. I'm a big fan. Think it's a great knife. Sure, it's a budget option. Huge fan. Let you know more when I've carried it for a while, when I've kept it in my pocket, but I'm very impressed. I was expecting it to be not as solid feeling when I've seen pictures of it. It feels very solid, and like you guys saw, it's under 3 ounces. So that is the PYRITE-LIGHT. Let's see if it has a blade designation there. It doesn't, so it might just be this blade designation. This is the J1945 BBU. CJRB PYRITE-LIGHT. I'm a fan, guys. I'll do a full review on it. I think it deserves it. We'll go over it. We'll check it out and get some other knives. I appreciate you watching the video. If you're still here, I'd love it if you'd hit the subscribe button. But thank you for sticking with me. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.